Next. Yeah. My videos. Shit. Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. How are you? How are you, netizen? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the whole world, wherever you are right now. And welcome to my channel. And for today's vlog, I'm going to share to you my new recipe. Hope you will like it. And yeah, if you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you like. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment down below kung meron kayong mga suggestions, opinion, at saka yung mga violent reaction. Okay? And yeah, don't forget to include also the notification bell so that you are notified for my next videos. Alright. By the way, I just want to inform to you na once a week lang ako nag-upload ng videos ko. So, medyo matagal-tagal, pero sana nandyan pa rin kayo, niya? At pinapanood niyo yung mga videos ko. And new recipe ko ay mapapanood yun na in 1, 2, 3.
I have here 2 pieces of sliced bread or toast bread. I use 1 egg and 1 pinch of salt and powdered milk. Or you can use also a fresh milk. And then we need to use a butter for frying. So I prefer to use 2 slices of butter. And then we need to mix or beat the egg. And then I pour the milk in it. And then we're gonna dip our sliced bread. Isasawsaw natin siya doon. And then let our bread soak for a while. And then flip it and hayaan natin yung kabila naman, let it soak for a while also. And then after 1 inch later, so ready na yung bread natin i-fry. We're gonna use a butter for frying.
Oh no!
Here's the result of our French toast. Our French toast is done, and this is much better if you have a Nescafe together with. And happy breakfast! If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.